Hello everyone. So we have finished first 4 questions of exercise 3.2 in our previous videos, and we are continuing with the chapter of pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Now we need to move to question number 5. It says half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter, and we have to find the dimensions of the garden. So let's move to the solution. Because it's a rectangular garden, so we will need the length and breadth. So let the length of the rectangular be x meter and the breadth be y meter. So first condition is half the perimeter is equal to 36. Second is given that length is 4 meter more than the width, right? So half the perimeter, what's the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is twice length plus breadth by 2 is equal to 36. This gets cancelled. My length is x and breadth is y. So x plus y is equal to 36. So I have got this as my first equation. Second, I have length is x is equal to 4 plus y. So I can say that x minus y is equal to 4. This is my second equation. Now we need to solve it graphically, guys. So let's find out different coordinates. Y is equal to 36 minus x. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 34. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 32. If x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 30. So I found out 3 coordinates. Let me go to the second equation. Second equation says that x minus 4 is equal to y. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 4. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 minus 4, so minus 2. So I've got all these coordinates. Now let's put in the table form. X and y, x and y. So if x is equal to 2, 4 and 6, 2, 4 and 6, y is equal to 34, 32 and 30. Here x is 0, 1 and 2. So y is equal to minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. Now let's plot these points on the graph paper. So here is the graph paper. X-axis, and this is y-axis, and this is origin. Now let's write down the scale. Scale I can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units in this case, because I know I need on positive y-axis only I need 34 units, and on the negative y-axis I need minus 4. And so let's take the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units for both axes. Let's mark our coordinate axis. So 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So this would be 2, this would be 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. This side also minus 2, minus 4. Here I have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. So let's mark the positive y-axis. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. So let's mark the points for the first line now. So the first coordinate for the first line is 2 and 34. So 2 and 34. Okay. This is the point. Then 4 and 32. 4 and 32. Okay. Then 6 and 30. 6 and 30. These are the 3 points. Now let's join them. Second line first, coordinated 0 and -4. So 0 and -4 here. Then we have 1 and -3. So 1 and -3. And 2 and -2. 2 and -2. I know these are very small, so you can see in the fourth quadrant. We have got this line, and this is the point of intersection. This line is x minus y is equal to 4. This line is x plus y is equal to 36. I have got both the lines now. They are intersecting at a point. And let's write down more on x-axis. So 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This point of intersection is 20 and 16. So my x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. So we got the coordinates for the intersection through the graph. So there we got the coordinates as 20 and 16. So x and y is equal to 20 and 16. So therefore we can say that x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. Therefore they had asked us the dimensions of the garden, and we took length as x and breadth as y. So I can say that the length is 20 meter and the breadth or the width is 16 meter. So let's move to question number 6. It has given a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and we have to write another linear equations in two variable such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is, first part is intersecting lines. So as we know, for intersecting lines, a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So we have to get two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let's first equation have 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So on comparing, we know a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. So I can write down the second equation as 5x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0, or I can also write down 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So both of equations are correct, right? Because a1 by a2 here is not equal to b1 by b2. 2 by 5 and 3 by 6. So this is not equal, or it is 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. So both equations have compared. So this is my first equation, this is my second answer I just wrote. So for one also it is not equal, for second also it is not equal. So both can be my answer. Another equation. Can be 5x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0, or it can be 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Second part, they are asking that they should be parallel lines. So for parallel lines, the condition is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, but it should not be equal to c1 by c2. So now my first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. In second equation, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So I can write down 2x plus 3y minus 12. So that should be one answer, and or I can write down any other answer also. Suppose if I write down 6x, so this ratio will be 1 by 3. So this also has to be 1 by 3. So this would be 9y, and this should not be equal. So here I can write down anything. So this is equal to second equation. For the first equation, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. It's not equal to c1 by c2. So let's write down and see. So 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3, and it is not equal to minus 8 by minus 12. For second equation, I can write down that 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 9. Both are equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3. But it is not equal to minus 8 by 24. This is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is also proved. So answer, I can write down the another equation, or the second equation can be, I can write down both the equation, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0, or second equation is 6x plus 9y plus 24 is equal to 0. So both can be my answer. Let's move to the third part. So in third part, they are asking that they should be coincident lines. So we know that if the lines are coincident, a ratio of a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. Now the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So here I want everything to be same, right? So I can write down as 4x. I'm just multiplying each by 2. So the ratio becomes 1 by 2, right? So this can be the answer. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So let's write down 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. Each is equal to 1 by 2. Another, the second equation or another equation can be 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So guys, we have finished 5th and 6th question in this video now, and we'll continue with the next question 7 in next video. So stay tuned and see you all